Large bakeries produce thousands of fresh bread loaves every single day. The process begins with simple ingredients like flour, yeast, water, and salt.
These ingredients are transported to the mixing area.
Large mixers blend the ingredients to create bread dough. The dough is kneaded until it becomes smooth and elastic. Engineers monitor the production process to maintain quality. The dough is divided into equal pieces. Each portion is shaped to prepare for rising. The dough moves toward the fermentation stage. During fermentation, the dough expands and becomes soft. Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled.
The dough is shaped into bread loaves.
The loaves are prepared for baking. The bread is baked in large tunnel ovens. After baking, the bread develops its golden crust. The bread is cooled before packaging. Each loaf is inspected for quality. Machines slice the bread into perfect pieces. The sliced bread is packed into plastic bags. Packaging machines seal the bread to keep it fresh. Product information is printed on each package. The finished bread is stored in the warehouse. Forklifts move the cartons toward the loading area. Finally, the bread is delivered fresh to stores and supermarkets.